If you've seen the CoolMate air conditioner all over your feed, here's the honest, no-hype breakdown after testing what it actually does. So, first impression. It looks like a compact portable AC, and the ads really push that idea. But in reality, this isn't a real air conditioner. It's basically a small, evaporative air cooler. Think of it as a USB fan that pushes air through a wet filter or ice chamber. And here's the key issue. It does not cool down a room. At best, you'll feel a light, direct breeze if it's right next to you at your desk. The moment you step away, the effect is basically gone. Worse, in humid environments, it can actually make things feel stuffier because it adds moisture to the air. It also runs on very low power, so there's no compressor, meaning no real heat removal at all. If you want actual cooling, look at real portable units from Midea or Jet Air, or go for split systems from Daikin, Samsung, or LG. Bottom line, it's a personal fan with marketing, not a real air conditioner.